Hi, welcome to IDL 7140 LMS and Evaluations. We are on our week 2 evaluations and we are looking at the Canvas platform. And today we are going to look at how to set up a course, and that's going to include activating the learning management system, customizing the banner and adding text, customizing your profile, adding a demo student, and doing a quality check. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing we're going to do is activate a course. So from your Canvas account homepage, you are going to select Dashboard right here from the global dash bar. This on the far left is your global dash bar, or nav bar, excuse me. Now that you're in the dashboard on the far right, you will select Start a New Course, and you are going to enter a course name, LMS and Evaluations. We'll just leave it at that. And select Create. Now you have the opportunity to enter course details. And being that we're just right now looking at how to activate a course, we are going to just really touch on two things. I want to be able to enter a start and end date so that students are able to see this course. So to do that, I need to switch term under participation to course. And I am going to enter today as the start date and a date towards the end of April as the end date. Once I've done that, I will come to the bottom and select Update Course Details, otherwise known as Save. And then the very important thing that you have to do for students to be able to see this course is select Publish. Once you have done that, you can come over here to your left course pane and you will see LMS and Evaluations showing under Published Courses. These are some other ones that you see that I've been testing and playing with under Unpublished Courses, and I do have one more up here under Published Courses. Now the next thing we're going to do is talk about customizing the banner and text. So let's go into that course that we just set up, and we want to add a banner. So we're going to, in the course nav bar, which is right here next to the global nav bar, come down to Pages. And we want to select Add Page on the upper right hand side. Now you can add a title page. I'm going to label this as Home Page. And you want to come right here so you can add an image. Now I am going to select Upload Image, and I have got one ready that I am just going to drag in, or you can select or click on that rocket to add an image from where you'd like to add it. Now what you can do, what you need to do is in this alt text box is add some information for accessibility purposes. So LMS image, and this is really a decorative image right here. It's not telling anything. And go ahead and select Submit. Now in your content panel right here, if you want to add some text for your home page and for your banner, you can do that by either putting it above or below, and I'm just going to put it below. Hit Enter. Learning, I can't spell, management system and evaluations. All right, we're going to do that, and then once we are done, let's go ahead and hit Save and Publish, and you'll see why in just a moment. Because to be able to add this to our home page, we have to take some additional steps. So you see that it is published right here. We need to hit this ellipsis in the upper right hand corner and select Use as Front Page. If you don't do that, when you come up to the course home button right here on your course nav bar, you want to choose your home page because you see nothing is showing yet. Select Home Page and then select the one that we just made, the Pages Front Page. This is the customizable front page that you were able to do. Otherwise, you could just use the syllabus or the assignments list, course modules, course activity stream as your home page. But we want to add this customized banner. So you're going to select Save, and now you see that we have our LMS and Evaluations, we've got our pretty picture and our additional information that we put in. So we have customized our banner and text. Next, we're going to look at customizing our profile. So from here, we are going to select in the upper left corner the account and select profile. When you come in here, you're going to select edit profile, and this allows you to put in a name, pronouns, preferred pronouns, your title. You can add contact information here. There's an open area to type in a biography, and then an area to add any social media links. Once you update that information, you will hit Save Profile, and it'll update. Now, I could have from that place updated the image, but I can also do it right here. If I just hover the cursor over the image, select it, I can upload a photo right here, and I can just pull one right in. I've already got one in there, so I'm not going to update that. So instead of hitting save to save any updates, I'm going to hit cancel. But once you hit save, you'll see that it saves right there within your profile, as well as to the left in the account image. Now, the last thing we want to show today is how to add a demo student and do a quality check. And this is pretty simple because every Canvas course that is created is automatically given a test student account. You're not going to see any type of test or demo student in attendance or grading areas, but you do have the functionality to view content from a student view. So from your global nav bar, you want to select courses, and we're going to go ahead and go back into the course that we just selected. Now, what you can do then is come right up here to the upper right, and you see student view. Once you select that, it's going to allow you to navigate through and look at discussions and people and pages and everything that you have in there to make sure that what your students are seeing is what you intend for them to see, and that it operates the way you intend for it to operate. Great thing about this is if you're going through and you're doing some testing, you have the ability to clear all of the history as that student. So you can come right down here to reset student. It'll wipe out the history from what you just did. And then when you're ready to leave the student view, you just select leave student view, and it will return you to your account. So that is all we have for today on the course setup for Canvas. I hope this helped you, and if you have any questions, we will be back with more how-to. So I hope you join us. Thank you.